If you've always wanted to learn to play the piano, but you think you've left it too late, well, you're in the right place today. And here's the thing, you already know more about playing the piano than you actually realise. We've been using our ears to listen to music all our lives. And today I'm going to show you how to play a piece of music just using your ears. And don't worry about any technical stuff like hand coordination or scales or anything like that. That will all come naturally in time by doing exactly what I'm going to show you how to do today. So, hi, I'm Rob from Rebel Piano, and around here we keep things simple. No sheet music, no rules, no boring scales, just real music, real piano playing from the heart. That's what we do here, and playing by ear today. So let's go to the overhead camera and I'm going to show you how to do this. I want you to play that chord, 2 notes. This is our home bass, a C and a G. Sounds nice and it's easy. You already know hundreds of melodies, so you're not learning music today, you're discovering that you can play what you already know. Think of it, start a song that begins with that, here comes the bride. What about finding that, as soon as you sing a note and hit it, you know, your brain clicks. Here comes, let's do something a bit more interesting, something a bit more rock and roll, a Beatles song. Hey Jude, sing that with me, or hum it, or da it. Dee dee, dee dee, dee dee. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Hey Jude, let's find that first note. Hey Jude, dee, find it, discover it on your keyboard now. Dee, 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 dee. When you get the right note, it just clicks, doesn't it? It sounds right. Hey Jude, it's going down. Dee, 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 dee. That's not it. Dee, dee. That's it. If you can get those 2 notes, hey Jude, and then don't make it bad. Hey Jude, don't make, listen, hey Jude, don't make, it's the same 2 notes. And then it bad, it is a bit up a bit, it's close though. It, no, it's going to be a white note. It, that's it. It bad, bad, no bad, no bad. That's it. As soon as you get it, you know. So, hey Jude, don't make it bad. I wonder if you could get that chord as well in this, in that change there. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. It's going to be a chord using white notes. That's it, it sounds right, doesn't it? Your ear is actually just following the melody that you already know. Your ear tells you when it's right. So with just a simple chord and a melody you already know, you're actually making music. And you haven't read a dot of sheet music, you haven't learned any scales. This is how us old rock and rollers make progress fast on the piano and enjoy it, okay? You can play it in different ways as well. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Try rocking that hand. Or, hey Jude, don't make it bad. See if you can play that second chord as well. And there's loads of songs that you could learn using this same method. Keeping the same chord going. What about another Beatles song? When I find myself in times of do-do-do, do, first note, do, 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 do. You know when you hit it, don't you? Do, 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 do. So your homework and your fun is to listen to a piece of music that you love, something that you know well, and find the melody. Hum it, la it, and find the melody. Just spend a few minutes. Put a piece of music on your phone or listen to it on YouTube, on the telly, whatever, and see if you can find the notes of the melody. It doesn't matter if it's messy, it doesn't matter if you mess up. Your ears are going to guide you much better than any book ever would. So if you've enjoyed this and you'd like to find out more about Rebel Piano, about playing music from your heart, real musical confidence, simple chords, beautiful tunes, then come and have a look round Rebel Piano. There's a link below. And also there's a link to my free download, which is a booklet I wrote for the music students at Lancaster University called 5 Compelling Reasons to Play More Piano. And it's all about the benefits of playing piano, the mental and the physical and the emotional benefits. Okay, I'll see you soon. Hey Jude.